Welcome to the in front of me OPPO A94, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So let us first open notification panel, and here if you want to add some icons or remove some of them or just to change their positions, we should click here on this edit icon. And now we can see that down section was invisible icons which we can add to our notification panel here. For example, let's add the screenshot icon. Just to edit, hold the icon and drag it to the app section. By the same way, you can add here all of the icons if you wanna do that. Just to remove some icons from here, by the same way, hold it and drag it to this down section here. And to change their positions, just nothing new, hold and drag icon. And to save the changes, just click to go back. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.